Hello friends, we'll continue with unit load methods. Now we'll start with application of unit load for cantilever beams. Find deflection and rotation of free end of cantilever. So this is the beam given A, B, C, 30 kilonewtons at B and 20 kilonewtons at C, 2i, 3i, distances are 3 and 4. Now let us write the values. Let M bending moment, capital M, bending moment due to given loads. Next, for deflection at C, apply unit load at C. Now for that unit load, let M1 be bending moment due to unit loads. Now here they have asked for rotation also. For rotation, apply unit couple or moment, unit couple at C. Therefore, calculate values of M2. M2 is bending moment due to couple at C. Now this is the given problem. Draw a line diagram. Now for deflection, apply 1 kilonewton unit load at C. For this I will write the values. For this I am going to calculate capital M. Now take the sections. Now you have to take the section such that whole beam is covered. For CB, always for cantilever, start from free end, go towards fixed. For CB, start from C, go till B. Let this be distance x. Now for BA, start from B, go towards A. This is how you are going to take sections. So similarly here also same thing. You are starting from B, going towards A, starting from C, going towards B. Next, for this, calculate small m, small m1. Now, for rotation, apply unit couple. You may assume any direction. Unit couple 1 kilonewton meters at C. Now, for this, again, take sections in the similar way. X, X, let this moment be M2. Now put the table. Now go on filling up the table. So first write the sections. So first will be portion CB and BA. So you have to find your origin, limits, capital M, moment due to given loads, M1, moment due to unit load at C, M2, moment due to couple at C, EI values. Now CB. For CB, start from C, go towards B. So origin is C, limits are 0 to 3. Origin is B, C, limits 0 to 3. Limits means distances. Now bending moment. Bending moment at this section. So bending moment at this, forget this part of the beam. Consider only C till this. My sign convention is same. Right hand side, anti-clockwise is positive, this produces clockwise. So 20 into x, bending moment at this section is 20 into x, minus 20x. Now come to this section. Forget this part. Consider part of the beam between C and this section x. Forget this part. Now here, moment at this section is because of two loads. Because of this 20 kilonewton load and because of this 30 kilonewton loads. So due to 20 kilonewton loads, moment is 20 into distance from here till here. So this is 3 plus x, 20 into x plus 3. Then due to 30 kilonewton loads, it is 30 into x. Again this produces clockwise, so negative. So write the answers here. m1, so I'll come to that later on. Now m1 because of this, forget this part, only 1 into x minus x. Here same couple is continuing from here till here. Again my sign convention says right hand side clockwise should be positive. I have taken anti-clockwise, so minus 1. Here ei value, here ei is 2 ei. Now come to portion BA. From here till here, origin is B, limits are 0 to 4. Now I have to find out bending moment at this section. Forget this much part, consider part of the beam between C and this. Now bending moment due to 20, load into perpendicular distance, 20 into perpendicular distance from here till here, this distance. So this distance is 3 plus x. Sign will be minus 20 x plus 3. Next again plus 30 into x. Again this produces negative, so I am going to take minus sign outside, plus 30 into x. Now here at this section, forget this part. For m1, 1 into this distance, this is 3, this is x plus 3, minus 1 into x plus 3. So couple, it remains constant, minus 1. ei value for this section is 3, so 3i or 3 ei. Now I will start with the finding the terms. Theta c, 0 to L, m into m1 divided by ei dx. So first 0 to 3, for this limit 0 to 3, minus into minus plus, 20x into x, 20x x by ei dx, plus limits are 0 to 4. I am going to multiply this and this, minus and minus, they cancel out each other, so I am going to keep it plus as it is, plus 20 x plus 3 plus 30x into x plus 3 divided by 3 ei. Now go on simplifying the terms. 0 to 3, 20x square by, actually this is 2 ei, 20x square by 2 ei dx, plus simplify this term, 0 to 4, 20 into x, 20x plus 60 plus 30x x plus 3 divided by 3 ei dx. So same I can write 0 to 3, 20x square by 2 ei plus 0 to 4, 20x plus 30x, 50x plus 60 into x plus 3 divided by 3 ei dx. So I am going to simplify this bracket, is equal to 0 to, next line I will take it here, 0 to 3, 20x square by 2 ei plus 0 to 4, 50x plus x, 50x into x, 50x square plus 60 into x, 60x plus 50x into 3, 150x plus 60 into 3, 180 divided by 3 ei dx. So simplifying the terms, you get the answer 0 to 3, 20 by 2, so I can make it 10 x square by EI plus 0 to 4, 50 x square plus 210x, 60x plus 150x plus 180 divided by 3 EI dx. Now I am going to integrate each of the terms. 10x square, 10 by EI outside the bracket. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Limits are 0 to 3. Plus 50x square by 3i. 50 by 3i is outside the bracket. 50 by 3ei. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Limits 0 to 4. Plus 210 by 3ei outside the bracket. 210 by 3ei. Integration of x is x square by 2. So limits are 0 to 4. Plus 180 by 3ei outside the bracket. Integration of x over the limits 0 to 4. So solving all these things, you get 90 by EI plus 355.5 by EI plus 560 by EI plus 240 by EI. So completing all these terms, you get delta C is equal to 1245.5 by EI. This is the final answer. Now I have to find theta C. So to find theta C, integration of m into m2, minus 20x into minus 1, so it becomes 20x, minus of 20, this into minus 1. So here limits are 0 to 4, 0 to 3. So I will write the equation for theta C now. So theta C is equal to integration of 0 to L, capital M into m2 divided by EI dx. So you get the term, so 20x into minus 1, so you get only plus, so 0 to 3, 20x by 2 EI plus minus into minus, it becomes plus, so integration of 0 to 4, 20x plus 2 plus 30x divided by 3 EI. So I am going to simplify these terms. 0 to 3, 20x by 2 EI, so 10x by EI plus integration of 0 to 4, 20 into 2, 20 into x, 20x plus 20 into 2 plus 40 plus 30x divided by 3 EI dx. So you have the terms here, 0 to 3, 10x by EI plus integration of 0 to 4, 40 plus 30, 50x plus 40 divided by 3 EI dx. So you can solve this. 10 by EI outside the bracket, integration of x square by 2, 0 to 2, sorry, limits are 0 to 3, plus 50x by 3i, so 50 by 3ei outside the bracket, integration of x is x square by 2, limits are 0 to 4, plus 40 by 3ei outside the bracket, so integration of x over the limits 0 to 4. So you solve it, you get the answer 45 by EI plus 133.3 by EI plus 53.33 by EI. So solving all this, you get theta C is equal to 231.66 by EI. So this completes the problem. Thank you.